An important XRP announcement just happened, and if you don't act right away, you could miss out on a huge chance. Recent news stories and conversations with insiders say that 2,534 XRP is a key number for upcoming financial changes, and early investors may be in the best position to make money. XRP has been making waves in the global financial industry as big banks and other companies start to use Ripple's technology. Things are getting even more important now, though. There are more and more signs that a certain amount of XRP, there are 2,534 tokens that could be linked to institutional needs, new financial systems, or cash pools that are almost ready to be used by everyone. There are real signs that something important is going on behind the scenes, so this isn't just a guess. As banks try to use blockchain solutions in their daily work, XRP is becoming an important asset for quick and cheap transfers across borders. If acceptance speeds up and rules become clearer, people who have already positioned themselves with XRP stocks may be on the right track. But what exactly is this important news, and why is 2,534 XRP being talked about as a key number? In the next part, we'll break down the specifics of this event and talk about what it might mean for XRP's investors and future. People and businesses all over the world have been paying attention to the latest news about XRP, and for good reason. Many news sources say that XRP will play a big part in digital banking in the future, with 2,534 XRP becoming an important part of financial processes in the future. The question is, what does this really mean? Ripple has been working behind the scenes to build a network with more than 300 banks and other financial institutions so that faster blockchain-powered transfers can replace old banking systems. There are ongoing discussions about cross-border payment ways, central bank digital currencies, and CBDCs. XRP is becoming more popular as an important asset that could lead to the next big thing in international banking. Several financial analysts and insiders say that institutions that hold certain amounts of XRP may be getting ready for new liquidity pools, regulatory frameworks, or even standards to join the growing blockchain financial system. The number 2,534 XRP could be linked to minimum holdings for liquidity providers, certain financial levels, or even a sign that a lot of institutions are starting to pile up. In the past, we've seen institutions get ready for a change without the public knowing. Early adopters of Bitcoin, like corporations and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw similar trends. It looks like XRP is now moving in the same way. People who get in early could make a lot of money if XRP really does become the standard for all global banking transactions. What's the deal with 2,534 XRP? Does the school need this at the very least? A very important amount of liquidity, or something more important? In the next part, we'll look at what this number really means and how it might affect the future value of XRP. Why is the number 2,534 XRP being stressed as being important? Is there something more to it than just an accident that has to do with institutional adoption? Let's break it down. Some experts say that 2,534 XRP is a very important level for institutional players, liquidity providers, and even the financial system's future needs. Since Ripple is still working with banks and payment processors, it's possible that XRP will be added to a structured financial network that only people with certain shares can join. This could mean that businesses and rich individuals are getting ready to hold a certain amount of XRP for market making, future settlement systems, or even a brand new financial framework. Another idea says that 2,534 XRP could be linked to liquidity pools that are meant to make big financial deals easier. In institutional trade, decentralized finance, and DeFi, liquidity pools need a certain amount of assets to make sure that the markets work well. XRP could be used as a bridge asset for cross-border payments, and a certain amount could be needed to take part in these deals. 2,534 XRP could be a part of this organized liquidity system. Also, as digital currencies issued by central banks, or CBDCs, are formed around the world, some people think that some financial companies might need to keep a certain amount of XRP on hand in order to use Ripple's on-demand liquidity dollar system. ODL lets XRP payments happen in real time, so accounts don't need to be pre-funded. If banks and other organizations are setting aside 2,534 XRP as part of their liquidity plan, it could mean that the way international payments are made is changing in a big way. Even though no one knows what this number really means, it comes up a lot in talks about money. Based on comments from institutions and trends in the accumulation of XRP, it doesn't look like a random number. If this trend keeps up, having 2,534 XRP could be more than just a smart move. It could be a way to join the next stage of digital banking. What might this mean for the price of XRP, though? If institutions really start using XRP on a big scale, could the price go up a lot soon? The next section will talk about how this level of institutional involvement might change the value of XRP and the price predictions made by analysts. If institutions are really moving toward wide use, how might the price of XRP change? Could there be a big rise coming up soon? Let's look at what might happen to prices and what experts think will happen. The main thing that moves the price of XRP is institutional demand. Individual buyers, on the other hand, trading at financial institutions is not based on hype. They spend in things that help the world economy, like resources. People will want to buy a lot of XRP if it is used in central bank digital currencies, cross-border payments, financial liquidity pools, and CBDCs. In the past, when an object is institutionalized, its value goes up sharply. This was very clear with Bitcoin, whose price went through the roof when big companies, hedge funds, and institutional buyers started putting money into it. If there is a similar wave of institutional investment in XRP, prices may go up sharply as supply gets tighter. Another important factor is how clear the rules are. One of the main things stopping XRP's meteoric rise is the ongoing court battle with the SEC. But governmental approval seems closer than ever now that Ripple has won big battles and become better known around the world. If XRP is fully approved in big areas like the US and Europe, banks will be able to use it. For banking institutions and payment systems to start using XRP a lot. Now the question is, can you get in before the market takes off? Since more and more institutions are adopting XRP and its role in global finance is becoming clear, getting ready early may be the best way to make the most of possible gains if XRP really does become a valuable asset in cross-Belgium trades, CBDCs, and liquidity pools. The first step is accumulation. If it turns out to be true that 2,534 XRP is a key level, then getting at least this much might be